हाँ
उसके पास है फोन करो
क्या
उसके पास जाते हो बस
क्या है
नाम ले जाओ फोन करो
अरे इधर मत जाइए यार इधर मत जाइए रिकॉर्डिंग चल रही है इधर जाइए पीछे जाना तो
Listen up! Em, get these assholes in the closet! Hurry! What's he doing? He's gonna kill us in here! Leave us alone! We didn't do shit to you! I said the closet! Get him in there! Come on!
जी कौन सा मेरा
You! In the back! Come on! What is the problem? Why are they still out here? You were meant to lock them down! All set! Phone it in! I'm making the call. Detonate! Alright, you gonna do this? Show me the money! Slow and steady, T. Slow and steady. Oh, there's enough here for us all to enjoy. Depends on how you look at it. What's the holdup? Come out, B! Give it up! I got him! I saw your face, I'll remember you. You get 1,000 things every day. How about you make sure this is one of them? Let's see! Looks like the cavalry ain't gonna show. Don't be as dumb as you look. Keep going forward! Fuck off! Drop it, prick! Blame the pricks who called you out here! Press forward! Come on, guys!
बहुत स्टार
You shouldn't have been a cop! Move! 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 Who's next? Wrong profession! We bring it to him! What the fuck is this?
वो तो मैन कर रहा हूँ
Get out of the way or suffer the consequence! Get in their faces! Get down! Get out of the way! No fucking cops!
मार सकता है
बम नहीं आ रहा
नहीं
इधर कर देना जब स्टार्ट आएगा
लोड होने लगे
We got a window. Let's go. Can't be many more cops in this town. Bring 'em. Let's man. The thing is full. I got my share. It's still wide open. Here. Come on. You're done. And try. Woo. See that shit? Put that bitch's face against the glass. You see that? Yeah, you're a real snout. Let's get to the chopper. We move quick, we can beat the train. We're getting there. Man, I'll believe in this bird when I get eyes on it. Mike? Coming our way. Be cool. They ain't made this car yet. I say there's a chopper, there's a chopper. We stick to the plan, we're home free. Shit! Roadblock! Go right! Beat the train, man!
जड़ गई गाड़ी जड़ गई मेरी देख
You guys alright? Fuck! Come on! Ditch the car, alright? We can go this way to the chopper. No! Hey! Stick to the plan! What? Stick to the fucking plan! Come on! Come on!
या R1 से टारगेट करो
I'm standing here!
R1
Hey, you, Hank!
पकड़ लेगा
Fucking stay back! You come near me! Stay back! Go!
भाग जाएगा वो
तू चला रहा जब ना चल रहा है
चल रहा है ये अपने आप ही
और ये लोग अपने आप ही चलते हैं
Not always a good husband. Not always a good citizen.
कौन भैया
He did not die a hero's death. But he was a man. Our Lord was crucified with 2 feet. So perhaps
फिर तो सिगरेट पी रहा है क्यों
उसे देख के बड़ी छान लगी यार कसम से
रॉकस्टार गेमर
GTA 5 है ना
जी आ गया
माइकल सिगरेट पी रहा है
चेंज हो गया पूरा
माइकल ड्राइवर है माइकल है
that you will show mercy to our friend.
सब
He's a good kid.
हाँ लेफ्ट वो जा रहा नीला वाला जी बड़े बड़े बन के आ रहा सीधा सीधा
Right up here, homie. I'm about to go nice and slow for your bitch ass. What I hear you?
अच्छा इससे चलता है
बोलो ब्लू वाले क्या इधर 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 राइट राइट उधर जाओ उधर गलत जा रहे हो गाड़ी रोड पे जाओ इधर इधर घुमाओ अरे वो नीले वाले डॉट पे जाओ। राइट घुमा हुआ चलने का अब लेफ्ट लेगा जाने का
नीली बत्ती बच जाना, नीली बत्ती
राइट नीचे दूसरी जगह ले दूसरे वाले बटन से L2 से इधर राइट यहाँ से लेफ्ट लेफ्ट आगे वाले से
Hey, remember, we gotta be careful with these rides, homie. The Simeon ain't about to stop my face.
Oh, man, if you need some bread, I can hook you up with JB's tow truck. It ain't got glamour, but it's some money to be made.
So him and Tanya can smoke crack in peace.
राइट लेफ्ट इधर से राइट
गेम तो मोड़ ही बात मुझे मारा नहीं है ड्यूटी है सबको ने हाँ ड्यूटी
I'm gonna make a withdrawal, homie.
You dumb motherfucker, that's the Union Depository.
अरे उड़ा दिया
Boy, send me about this shit.
लंका लगा दे गाड़ी
What you going slow up the road for, dog? Move over so the traffic can flow through.
हाँ कैसा वो लाल लाल कौन दिखा रहा हूँ हाँ
Santos classics. I don't get you, bro.
You are a racist and I don't like you. And I will not sell you this car. I will not. You make my skin crawl, you neo-Nazi. You are all the same. This racist insulted me.
Hey, what's up, fool? Who you calling a nigga?
No, I'm not calling nobody a nigga.
Wait, what the fuck?
I mean, N-word. That's not cool, man. I don't say that.
You fucking right, and you better keep it right, because this man right here, he's an international businessman, a multiculturalist.
That I... So, Jimmy, are you sure you are man enough? Take the wheel and show me.
Sure, okay.
How about we fall through, homie? This chump change. I'm gonna knock a bad, grown and sexy bitch if I ain't got a fat piece eye.
Who you trying to impress?
Your auntie Denise, with all that ass nigga, she got ass.
She grown, yeah. She grown into a fucking idiot.
No, she's sexy.
Sexy? She more like obsessed with sex, nigga.
Nah, mad for the penis. That's a sack guy like my man.
Man, shit, it's good to be home.
Mini bikes, mini skirts in the seas and the Miller Lights. Domino tables, we got big six. Where I'm from, we do concrete backflips. Flip flop back. Through the ghettos where I bring hip hop back.
What's up? Can a low come up in your crib?
Man, fuck you. I'll see you at work.
Oh, nigga, don't hate me because I'm beautiful, nigga. Maybe you got rid of the old yee ass haircut you got. You get some bitches on your dick. Oh, better yet, maybe Tanisha will call your dog ass if she ever stop fucking with that brain surgeon, the lawyer she fucking with. Nigga.
What? Oh,
Ooh, honey. Y'all telling me? Oh, we living on top of each other and it ain't right. Shoo! Get on out of here. Okay, baby. I see you at the thing. You hear?